Hey champs, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a flounce. I'll be teaching you how to draft it. So this is my part. This is my fabric. I folded it into two, and I cut it into four. I divided it into four parts, as you can see. I measured 25 by 25 inches. Then I divided it into four, as you can see. I'm closing it, like you can see in this video. What I'll be doing is to measure it. So I measured, then I connected it to the other point. I measured the cardinal point, and I connected it by four. So I'm going to connect it to the next point by four. Then I'll connect it like this. I'll connect it to the other point again, and I'll by 4 inches. I'll measure 4 inches again, then connect it. I'm going to do this so and so and so round, and I'm going to make sure my circle aligns very well. I'm going to make sure it forms a perfect circle. So that's why you see that I adjusted it here. Don't mind I'm using two different chalk. I just want you to be able to see it, what I'm doing. I want you to see it very well. When I get to the edge, what I did was to measure the highest place that has 4 inches. So that's my last point. That's my finishing point. So yeah, this is me trying to adjust the circle that I've drawn, making sure everything is a perfect circle and everything is accurate. So I'm cleaning it to make sure it follows the line. So I'm going to readjust it by 4 inches. Just make sure your circle is very okay, and then you are good to go. You've gotten your flounce. Remember that this is two fabrics. Like I folded it 25 by 25. So I'm going to have the fabric long enough to like cut two sides because I folded two sides. So this is me dividing it. So I'm going to follow the circle part. I'm going to cut it all through. So, Chams, this is all about our flounce. Tell me what you think about the flounce. You'll be trying it. Remember that this is a two-piece of flounce, and what I'll be doing is that I'll be cutting the excess in the flounce so that it can stay very well. And when you are joining it, you are joining the two sides together. I'll be dividing it like that into two so that it can be okay for two sides. So, Chams, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment in this video. So this is how it came out. Although the person that is wearing it is not the owner of the skirt, so I told her to fit it for me. Thanks for watching. Bye.